So let us now talk about Sora. Creating video has always been hard. You need cameras, lighting, actors, locations, or you need stock footage, editing software, motion graphic skills, and whatnot. Or maybe you pay professionals thousands of dollars to produce even a short clip. For most people, video ideas stay as ideas. The barrier is just too high. But here's the thing, you can write, you can describe what you want to see. What if that was enough? Sora is OpenAI's text to video AI. You describe a scene of words. ChatGPT creates a video, not a slideshow, not animated text on a background, an actual video with motion, physics, camera, movement, lighting, and with Sora 2 synchronized sound and dialogue. Now, this is the same leap that happened with images. DALL-E made anyone an illustrator. Sora makes anyone a video creator. And it's not coming soon. It is here, available now to ChatGPT Plus and Pro subscribers. Well, in this section, you will learn everything about creating videos with Sora. From your first generation to advanced techniques like storyboards, image to video conversion, and style control. But first, you need to understand what Sora is, what it can do, and how to access it. So let's start at the beginning. Sora is OpenAI's AI video generation tool. The name comes from the Japanese word for sky, representing limitless creative potential. At its core, Sora works like this. You provide a text description, a prompt, and Sora generates a video that matches your description. But Sora is not just a video generator. OpenAI describes it as a word simulator. The model has learned to understand how a physical world works, how light behaves, how objects move, how gravity affects things, how cameras capture motion. This means Sora does not just animate text, it creates coherent worlds where physics mostly works, where camera angles are cinematic, and where scenes feel intentional rather than random. So, let me give you the timeline so you understand where we are. February 2024, OpenAI previewed Sora to the world. Jaw-dropping demos, but no public access. December 9, 2024, OpenAI released Sora Turbo to ChatGPT Plus and Pro users, the first public version. September 30, 2025, Sora 2 launched. And this is the current version. Massive upgrades. So what exactly changed with Sora 2? Longer videos, up to 20 to 25 seconds compared to the original limitation. Synchronized audio, dialogue, sound effects, and music generated alongside the videos. And this was a huge breakthrough. Character cameos. Create consistent characters that can appear across multiple videos. The Sora app, a dedicated iOS app with social features, community feed, and sharing capabilities. Better physics, more realistic motion, improved object permanence, fewer visual artifacts, and as of January 2026, Sora 2 is the current model with Sora 2 Pro available for ChatGPT Pro users. So what can Sora create? Let me show you the range of what's possible. Photorealistic scenes, a woman walking down a Tokyo street at night, rain on cobblestones, neon reflections, cinematic quality. Animated styles, stop motion, cartoons, anime, claymation, pixel art, any visual style you can describe. Fantasy and surreal, a glass sphere containing a miniature Zen garden with a tiny person raking sand, things that can't exist in real life. Historical footage of California during the gold rush. Sora creates something that looks like archival film. Product visualization, a new sneaker rotating on a platform, studio lighting, shadows moving realistically. Abstract concepts, emotions, streams, ideas turn into visual sequences. Well, the model understands camera movements, pan, zoom, dolly, tracking shots, aerial views, lighting, golden hour, dramatic shadows, neon glow, natural daylight, character consistency. The same person can appear throughout the video doing different things. And scene dynamics, wind blowing through the hair, water rippling, dust particles in light, and so on. So, what are the current capabilities and limits? Let's be precise about what Sora can do today. Video length 10 to 15 seconds, with Storyboard Pro up to 25 seconds. Generation time 1 to 2 minutes typically. Resolution for Plus users is up to 70 to 720p. For Pro users, it's 1080p. Some early reports of 4K for Pro tier. Aspect ratio, widescreen 16:9, vertical 9:16, perfect for TikToks, Reels and Shorts, or Square. Audio, synchronized dialogue, sound effects matched to action, background music, all generated together with the video. Now, what does Sora struggles with? Very long and complex scenes. Precise physics in every frame. Counting or asking for exactly 5 birds might give you 4 or 6. Text in videos. Very specific real people, blocked for ethical reasons for sure. Now, this technology is improving rapidly. What's limited today may work perfectly in months. Now, who can access Sora? Here is the access breakdown as of January 2026. ChatGPT Plus, $20 per month. It's not 20 pounds. Full Sora access, credit-based usage, approximately 1,000 credits a month. Up to 720p resolution, videos up to 20 seconds. And access at Sora.com and through iOS app. For ChatGPT Pro, that is $200 a month. Sora 2 Pro access, 10,000 credits per month, that is 10 times more, up to 1080p resolution. Videos up to 25 seconds with storyboard, priority queue during peak times, and watermark free downloads. And what is not included? ChatGPT free, no Sora access. ChatGPT team, enterprise or edu, not yet available. Users under 18 years old. Regional availability, well, Sora is available everywhere. ChatGPT is available, except the UK, Switzerland, and the European Economic Area. OpenAI is working on expanding access. Platforms, web is Sora.com, iOS app, and Android app. Now, let us talk about how Sora works. And you don't need to understand the technical details, but here is a simplified explanation. Sora is what is called a diffusion transformer. It learned from massive amounts of video data and objects persist, how motion works. Now, when you provide a prompt, Sora starts with visual noise, random patterns. It progressively removes noise while adding meaningful content. Each step refines the image towards what you described. And this happens frame by frame, maintaining consistency across time. The result is video that feels coherent because the model understands temporal relationships. What comes before affects what comes after. And this is exactly why Sora can create camera movements, maintain character appearances, and simulate physics. It is not just generating random frames, it's building a consistent visual world. Now, let us talk about the bigger picture. And here is why Sora matters beyond just making videos. Well, OpenAI describes these models as step forward towards world simulators. AI that understands how physical reality works, not just what things look like, but how they behave. And this has implications far beyond video. Robotics, teaching robots to understand physical environments. Simulation, creating training data for other AI systems. Gaming, generating game content dynamically. Filmmaking, pre-visualization, concept development, full scene creation. Education, visualizing concepts that are hard to film. So Sora represents AI's growing ability to understand and recreate the physical world. Video generation is just the first application. Sora is text to video AI that makes video creation accessible to anyone who can describe what they want to see. With Sora 2, you get videos up to 25 seconds, synchronized audio, consistent characters, and cinematic quality, all from a text prompt. Now, here is what you will be doing after this session. If you have ChatGPT Plus or Pro, go to Sora.com right now and sign in. Explore the interface. Look at the community feed to see what others are creating. And if you don't have access yet, browse the feature feed on Sora.com, viewable without login, to see the quality and variety of what Sora can produce. Get familiar with what's possible before we dive into creation. Now that you understand what Sora is, the next step is getting access. And in the next session, I will walk you through exactly how to sign up for Sora, whether you are a new user or upgrading your existing ChatGPT account. See you there. And I'll leave you with two questions. What would you create if video production was as easy as writing? And have you seen any AI generated videos that impressed you? Let me know in the community or in the Q&A section if you haven't joined the community yet. I'll see you there.